pleasant day and peace be with us all. This video is for educational purpose only. It is about basic information about my life and background of my life. My name is Julamir Mantuling and you can call me Joel for short. Where do you live? Describe your community. Name of place. What kind of people, culture, environment, etc. can be observed in your place. I live at the municipality of Pagalungan, Maguindanao del Sur, one of the most improved municipality in the province of Maguindanao del Sur. I encourage everyone to visit our municipality to see the beauty and improvement of municipality. Describe your family. Name of parents, work of parents, number of siblings, standard of living, etc. My family is a family of farmers. We live at rural area and work hard to cultivate the land and grow crops. My parents are the backbone of our family and they work tirelessly to ensure that our farm is productive and thriving. Despite these challenges, we are commitment to our way of life and are determined to make it work. Being a family of farmers is a rewarding and challenging experience that has taught us the value of hard work, self-sufficiency, and community. School graduated from. Describe your school. I graduated at the Notre Dame of Cabacan Incorporated with a high quality and high standard education for everyone. I encourage to visit my past school to see what I say. What is your course? Why did you choose this course? What is your expectation from this course? My program is Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics. A Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics is a dream come true for me. My passion for health, wellness, and nutrition has driven me to choosing this course, as firmly believe that food is a medicine and that proper nutrition play as a vital role in maintaining good health. I am fascinated by the science behind nutrition and its application in preventing and managing disease. Through this course, I expect to gain a deep understanding of nutrition principle, dietetic, and food science. I hope to develop essential skill in assessing nutrition needs, creating personalized meal plan, and providing nutrition counseling. I am also eager to stay updated with the latest research, trends, and nutrition and dietetic. Why do you enroll at Southern Christian College? Who influenced you to enroll here? What do you think SCC can give you? What is your expectation? Because of my dream course here, I thank my decision of me and my family. Because of my one subject teacher has said that find the school that can give you chosen course, and SCC leads the way in the near future to be a successful professional in my course. What is your goal in life? How will you achieve it? What are the possible inheritance that you will face toward achieving of your goal? How do you see yourself 10 to 15 years from now? My ultimate goal is becoming a registered nutrition dietetic and work in a clinical setting where I can help patients with various health conditions. I aim to educate people about the importance of nutrition and promote health eating habits. To achieve this goal, I plan to complete my degree, pass the board exam, and continuously build my skill and knowledge by attending workshop or seminar, conference and networking with a professional in the field. While pursuing my goal, I anticipate possible inheritance such as competition for job, the need for ongoing education, and the emotion demands of working with the patient with serious health condition. However, I'm determined to overcome these challenges and make a positive impact in the lives of others. In 15 years, I envision myself as a successful registered nutrition dietitian with a strong reputation in my community. I may have established a private practice, contribute to research, and mentor students pursuing career in nutrition and dietetic. I am excited to embark on this journey and make a meaningful difference in the lives of others.